Okay, so you're going to say...
There's been a tragedy that has struck our community. April Johnson has the news about this preposterous turn of events. Are you going to be able to do this?
Yeah, I will.
Or are you going to be laughing like a hyena while I'm sitting here serious-faced?
No, I'll be able to do it. Okay, so, okay, say again what you're going to say. Okay, let's just start from the beginning.
Okay. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Robert Johnson.
And I'm April Johnson. And we are
Team Johnson. And this is a public service announcement. Tragedy has struck our little town of Casper, Wyoming, and its surrounding areas. April Johnson, give them the news of these preposterous events that have taken place. Oh my God, this ain't gonna work. You're gonna bust up laughing and I'm gonna have to do it all. No, and then you're gonna be laughing like a hyena next door.
Okay, we can do this.